take it personal, but I ain't lying. I ain't hiding, I've been grinding, multiplying.
I got a lot of work to do. All right. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Good morning. It is currently Sunday and I am about to get this hair together. I'm going to be trying to detangle my hair with just water, which is something I can usually do, but I usually don't let my hair get this bad. How it got like this is a long story, but long story short, I was walking in the rain and then I never had time to wash it like immediately or detangle it, so I just slept on it and let days go by, and this is the end result of that. So if you're interested, just keep on watching and I'll just show you guys like a little full view of what we're working with. And we're gonna see how long this takes me. I'm going to, instead of getting in the shower, since I already need to wash my hair, I don't want to run up all the hot water just from detangling it. So I'm just gonna put my hair over the tub, get it soaking wet, and we're gonna see how long this takes for me to go ahead and detangle it. And it is currently, Alexa, what time is it?
The time is 10:56 a.m.
Okay, it's 10:56.
Hope you're having a good weekend.
Okay, it's 10:56 a.m. and I'm gonna go ahead and get started, and we're gonna see what time it is when I'm all done. All right, so my hair is fully drenched. It still is like so big. The water really did not tame it at all, but yeah, we're gonna get started. I'm just gonna try to section it with my fingers a little bit down the middle. Oh my god, it is so tangled. I'm like low-key scared. Oh my god.
One step forward, two steps backwards, yeah. And much your lover who don't use big words, yeah. I don't need convincing at all because I know what I want. Baby, can't you figure it out? What's going on in your heart? What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me?
These are the two tools that I'm going to be attempting to use. Hopefully, it's not too bad.
Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? Yeah. Summer's over, still getting nowhere. Yeah. If winter blows here, baby, I fear we gon' disappear. Do you even want me? Do you even worry that I'm gonna love somebody else? Do you think about me when you're feeling lonely by yourself? What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show, take for you to show feels, yeah. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience Time's about run out to use those big words, yeah. I don't need convincing at all because I know what I want.
Okay, for this little back section, I had like a knot. So that's why I sectioned this little part off, and I'm adding a little bit more water. And that's also why I brought out this comb so that I can work through it without pulling my hair out. Then I just, like I said, added a little bit of water in here. And yeah. Okay, we have made it. We are almost there. This process has been very rough, and I got my hair trimmed recently. If you'll see on one of my previous videos, I got my hair trimmed before I added in some braids that I did a few weeks ago, and it's my first time wetting my hair since, and I'm noticing like my hair is so much shorter than it was before. I'm like low-key a little bit salty. But anyways, let's just keep this process going. I feel like it's been a minute that I've been doing this. It's really taken a long time.
Baby, I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right away, got so much time looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list. please never let it stop. I just want your everything, baby. Maybe later we can dance, never let go. Listen to our favorite songs on the radio. Losing up and lose ourselves to this feeling. Oh, I just want your everything, baby. I'll be deep under your influence tonight. Ooh, keep it coming, babe. I don't mind another round. Drinking from your bottle, baby. Calling it wasted love, wasted love. I can't get enough of my baby. I'ma be wasted love, wasted love. I'm spilling liquor on the carpet, on the couch. I feel it dripping from my mouth. Drinking from your bottle, baby. Calling it wasted love, wasted love. Moon is rising and the stars are coming out, but we're missing 'cause we're waiting.
All right, I am all done. This is how much hair I lost. I didn't mention it in the beginning, but it's been about a month now since I washed my hair because I had a protective style in for about 3 weeks, and then I wore my afro for another week. So when I took down my braids, I never combed my hair at any product or anything because I never intended to wait this long to do my hair, but life happens, and this is the result. And then I'll go ahead and right before I'm gonna wash my hair, I'll take it down to show how it looks all detangled. And I said that I would time how long this took. So Alexa, what time is it?
The time is 12:37 p.m.
It is now 12:37. I really don't even remember right now what time I started, but I believe it was like 10 something. So this really took a minute. If you want to be careful and detangle your hair and not break it off, you have to take your time when it's in like the state that my hair was in. So yeah, do I recommend? No. But like I said, things happen, and this is the result. So if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one.
If you got my number, don't add me, 'cause baby, I'm